Do you want to have a professional looking YouTube channel? More views, more subscribers and help improve ranking on YouTube videos? Stay tuned as I review and explain this kick-ass product. Hello, it's Daniel Gossage here from danielgossage.com. Welcome to my Kickass review on KickassTuber. What an epic name they have created. This is a very high in-demand product for anyone that wants to make an impact on YouTube and grow their channel faster. This will leave you in no doubt as to what this cloud-based product can do for you. KickassTuber is all about giving you the views, subscribers and epic content that you need. This in turn will help you to rank higher with your YouTube videos. This cloud-based software really is necessary for anyone that wants to make it on YouTube. It is the first cloud-based graphic and video platform that will allow you to create professional branding for both your YouTube channel and videos so easily that it will only take minutes to do. You will get access to hundreds of done-for-you templates in 30 of the hottest niches. And these are not just simple thumbnails and banners, they are full channel identities. And you can even upload your own graphics to KickassTuber. KickassTuber also has an ever-growing library of professional graphics. The cloud-based platform allows for 24/7 access to create, preview, edit and download hundreds of the highest quality motion graphic assets of any time that you need it. This really is a must-have, not only for video creators but also for anyone that wants to easily tap into a hungry market with no previous design experience or technical skills. It does not matter how well your video is if your thumbnail doesn't get the click. No one is going to get wowed. Your potential viewer will click on someone else's thumbnail that has that all-important wow factor. According to YouTube analytics, most people decide to subscribe to a channel after visiting their homepage. So if you want to turn your viewers into loyal fans, you'll need a high quality art for your channel. The cool graphics and animations will keep your viewers interested, leading to more watch time. Keep your viewers entertained and give them a video to remember from start to finish. Even the end screen will help to keep your viewers coming back for more. You will also be able to create the perfect call to action screens that will not only direct them to watch more of your videos but will also remind them to subscribe. So what are you going to get today? Hundreds of done-for-you graphic templates that you need to create consistent professional YouTube branding. You will get channel art, channel icons, thumbnails, lower thirds, sidebars, info bars, end screens and a fully integrated into a powerful cloud-based editor that will allow you to edit any of the done-for-you templates. It will also let you drag and drop images from your PC with hundreds of different fonts to choose from, or use your own fonts if you have a particular favourite. You will also be able to preview and download your finished edits as a MOV or MOV file with alpha channel or MP4 with green screen backgrounds, even work and download graphics in other popular formats such as JPG and PNG, etc. You will also get hundreds of high quality motion graphics such as transitions, backgrounds, motion icons, shapes, arrows, social icons, the list just goes on. Everything that you create on KickassTuber platform can be used in many other video and graphics apps such as Premiere, Video Builder, Camtasia, PowerPoint, HitFilm Express, After Effects and more. You will have 30 full ready-made channel identities in super hot niches. You can even mix and match, allowing you to customize everything and personalize it to your own chosen niche. You can also edit all of the layers in the cloud-based editor, and don't panic. Easy in-depth step-by-step tutorials are also included in the members area. Don't forget that. You can get personal use access for a low one-time price of $27, or commercial use is priced at a giveaway $37, allowing you to also resell your finished designs. This means that you can basically sell them on Fiverr, etc. And you can make money from it over and over again using this product. Kickass Tuber comes complete with thousands of customizable templates, graphics and motion graphics, 30 done for you full channel branding in hot niches, and of course free graphics will be added to the editor monthly. You will also get 1 GB of storage to save your work to. Purchasing the commercial license also allows you to sell your thumbnails, banners, etc. easily for $5, $10, $25 on Elancer and Fiverr or similar, as I've mentioned earlier. Click the link below in the description to get my bonus page to check out my big bonuses I've put together that complement this product fully also. Okay, upgrade 1 is the Pro Club membership, where there are 3 options, which the first one is $20 monthly, $47 quarterly, which is 3 months, or you've got the yearly, which is $147. You will also get 200 plus new premium templates and motion graphics every month, 200 plus graphic templates and motion graphics added instantly. You will also be able to download fully editable PSDs. You will even get 75 royalty-free music loops and a full 4 GB of storage space. Extra bonuses will also be added. Upgrade 2 allows you unlimited lifetime access to the Footage Club for a one-time payment of $77, which will give you 40,000 premium stock videos not from public domain or free sites. All of the video clips are organised, keyworded and categorised into 150 diverse niches, allowing you to fully search for them through the searchable online library membership portal. You will also get 2 extra bonuses. Vendor bonus 1 is the Motions Backgrounds Vault. Vendor bonus 2 is the Special Effects Vault. Upgrade 3 has 3 reseller options that are available for you, giving you 20, 50 or 100 licenses priced at $67, $97 and $127. And of course, don't forget, I have added my big bonus bundle, which you can get if you purchase this product through my bonus webpage. Simply click on the link below this video to see all of my bonuses that will be immediately available for you to download on the JV Zoos download page as soon as you have completed your purchase. So basically, this complements Kickass Tuber's product. All of our bonuses have been put together especially for this. Okay, so I'd like to thank you for watching, and also just to point out again, don't forget to click the link below in the description to go through to check out our Kickass bonuses for the Kickass Tuber product review. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you for watching.